Okay, this is called Avenida Olimpica. There's a street sign right there, Avenida Olimpica. We're just gonna walk down this main part, and we'll just kind of give you a quick context of this, and I'll come back and tell you all about this street right here in Taipa. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Avenida Olimpica. Just to give you a little context, we're going to be walking down that way in a minute, and before we even go down that way, I just want to give you some context. There's kind of a junkyard right here, right across the street, and you can see some of that. But on the other side of that junkyard is Taipa Village, and then you can see Galaxy Casino right there, Venetian Casino right there, Morpheus right there, and that's a really expensive apartment building right there. Before we even go in, there's also, this is kind of a good street to also go down too, and right in here there's some people playing mahjong, and then there's also like a little thing in here. Let's see if we can go right down this way. Let's go down this way. So there we go. So that's a park right there. So you can, kids can do like turtle pond, stuff like that. I think they're playing mahjong right here. So I think they're playing mahjong. Let's see. Yep. Okay. So we're gonna walk down our street right here. Before we go down, so that's park. This is a new bar right here. So it's a music bar, 1948. So it looks like it's gonna be kind of cool. Called Music Bar number 16 Owl Hut. Right there. So this is called Rua de Coimbra, and then we're gonna go down Avenida Olimpica. And in 1 second you can smoke right there as well. This is kind of see here. So this is going to be our focus street. That's the Cotai strip right over there, and then this is Avenida Olimpica. Got a McDonald's right here. Got a Pizza Hut. So there's a couple of fast food, a toy store here. Gonna walk all the way down. This is like a Taobao, I believe. Here's a Pizza Hut. Smells good. Beauty salon. Pizza Hut delivery guy. Sunmeal supermarket. Alright. Avenida Olimpica. I don't know if I filmed this particular street. I think I won't have any at the end, because sometimes I have older films at the end that you can see from previous times when I filmed here. The natural one. There's also a Paper Moon Thai restaurant is in here somewhere too. Oh, that's a good noodle shop right there, udon. And then this one is I think Paper Moon is closed. There's a Thai restaurant over there. That's a flower shop right there. You can sit outside. Japanese noodles. Thank Thai foam. We're just gonna go all the way past here. Yeah, this whole other street. That'd be interesting to also go down. Nice restaurant here. I've been there a few times. Now we're gonna head over this way. Yeah, that place right there is called the Taipa Cafe. So that cafe, Taipa Cafe, I guess they have really good hamburgers. So I had, somebody told me once about it, and I've never been there. There's a Chinese guy that I work with, a pretty cool guy. I don't know if he views the channel or not, but he was telling me like, hey, we should eat there because they got really good hamburgers. You probably know it. And I was like, ah, I've never heard of it. I usually don't eat very many hamburgers, once every 6 months maybe. Okay, so we're kind of near Avenida Olimpica. That's a pretty cool street down there too. And we're gonna be ending it at the end of this one. Yeah, this is a pretty busy street right here. Real busy street. So yeah, so that street right there is goes all the way to Taipa village down that way. That's the street that we just were on down that way. Kingsville, so this bus stop is kind of the end of that. That's a good destination for buses. So sometimes you're like, oh yeah, meet you at Kingsville. So that bus stop is called Kingsville, and it's right in front of Kingsville Apartments. Definitely more stuff over there to explore, as there is in every direction. In hotel, cool building right there as well. Nice circular building, and this rotary right there too. We're gonna keep on going down. Hyundai. JM Foods. And so now we're off of Avenida Oli. I think what we're gonna do is end it in that little spot. And that's the end of the Olympica right there. So we basically just came down that way, and then we came up this way, and just kind of show you where we could be going if we kept going. Should be in this direction as well. Hey. I know that guy as well. The guy was pretty small. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there. So Olympica turns into this street, and this one is called, I think it's Dr. Sun Yat-sen, Avenida de Sun Yat-sen, I believe. But that's a whole other street altogether. They are doing some construction over there, so that's kind of interesting. Probably some tall buildings like that one, like those would be maybe where those cranes are at in the near future. Things will probably crowd around here before you know it. Observation tower up there. Yeah, things are kind of building this way. And now that there's a Manhattan, that's a pretty popular place too. Supreme Food Market. Okay, so we're gonna end this one in a minute. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff that's being built in this whole area all throughout Macau. So, and that's some of the more recent stuff right there. I think that's gonna be pretty big because it starts here, goes all the way down. So anyways, and some of the old, so we'll end this one with that one.